Okay, new from Advance, model 6225. This displays time, date, day, and alarm setting, full touchscreen front display, loud alarm, really loud alarm actually, you're going to hear that in a moment. Extra large 1.25" time display, automatically adjusts to daylight savings time. You can choose between blue, red, or green backlight. Backlight does have an on and off switch. It is electrically powered. It does have repeating snooze and 12 and 24-hour format. Now let's talk about it for a minute. This clock is really neat. You can actually change the colors. You can turn the backlight on and off. Let's kill the lights for a second. Very cool. Whoa. Yeah. This is better than my wife's iPad. Quality by Advance. Who do you know who has a touchscreen alarm clock, right?